You may be curious, what will I do while waiting in the clinic?
And the answer is watching Vet Central Digital Media.
And we're here to tell you about some exciting news about an all-in-one solution for vets and vet clinics, Vet Central. The Vet Central Digital Media is a well-rounded TV channel that brings you education, entertainment, and everything for a pet owner or a pet parent.
Our founder, Dr. Pauline Taylor, aims to meet the challenge of this global surge in pet care and pet welfare at home and abroad.
As vets, we can advise our clients what's best for their pets at different stages in their life cycle. And if we can't advise them and help them ourselves, we can at least direct them to the best people in these services they may need, like grooming or training or further veterinary care.
So welcome to our channel and enjoy the show.
Hi, welcome to Ask the Vet. I'm Dr. Pauline Taylor, and we get lots of questions sent to us. Today, I'm going to answer the question myself. And this is quite a common problem. The most important thing to do is, if you suspect something is in the eye, in other words, under the eyelids, you've got to have a look, check if you can see anything, and whether you can see something or not, you really should try and flush it out. The best flushing material is room temperature water that's previously been boiled. All you need to go with that is a little cotton wool. You soak the cotton wool in the cool water and then just gently squeeze the water over your dog's eye. Gently rub the face at the same time, and hopefully, if it's just a few grains of sand, the sand will come out. Now, obviously, if the eye stays closed, the dog won't stop rubbing it, or it looks inflamed, or there's a lot of discharge from there, you must take your dog along and get it checked by a veterinary surgeon.
Some dogs have a really hard time giving up objects such as toys, chews, food, stuff that they've stolen from their mouths. You can prevent this behavior from ever happening by teaching your dog a really reliable cue called the Take It and Drop It cue, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. Okay, what's that? What's that? Yes, take it, good girl, take it, good girl. After the dog has taken the toy, I allow the dog to have a little bit of time to play with that toy, just to get really interested and really invested in it. Now, while she's playing with the toy, I'm going to get another toy that is of similar value to her. What I'm going to do is take my attention away from her and the toy she has in her mouth and concentrate and focus on the toy that I have in my hand, making it more attractive to her. Here. What's that? Drop it? Good. Each time she releases the toy in her mouth, I'm going to tell her to drop it. Here. Take it. Good girl. Good girl. Nice. Come here, Holland. Come, good. Drop it. Good girl. Take it. Good. Drop it. Take it. Nice. Good. Drop it. Take it. Good. What's that? Drop it, take it. Good. Drop it, take it. Yes. This is setting up a game, and the game of take it and drop it is a game of trade, so that whenever your dog has something in its mouth and you ask your dog to give that something up, your dog is going to give it because it remembers this is just a game. I'm not being confrontational. I'm not saying leave it or give it up or give it to me. I'm playing the game with her.
Pet Central 北角醫院煥然一新，重新出發，照顧你寵物嘅需要。最近新增位於洲華道70號嘅地鋪，直接連接1樓醫院，為你同你嘅愛寵提供24小時嘅診症服務，全年無憂，一直守候。
大家好，我係 Patrick， 我係 Pet Central 嘅 General Manager。我而家身處位於北角渣華道70號，我哋全新啱裝修好嘅獸醫診所。而家呢間分店，我哋直接同我哋1樓嘅住院部係有直接連接。對於我哋處理急症嘅方面，我哋會更有效率咁去處理。另外，我哋全新嘅接待處同埋等候區域，比以前空間更加寬敞，可以俾我哋嘅寵物同埋我哋嘅主人有更舒適嘅空間，可以等候接見我哋嘅醫生。另外，我哋有4間全新嘅獨立診症室，位於分別唔同嘅樓層。喺地下有2間診症室。就係適合俾中大型嘅犬隻有更加多嘅空間可以接受我哋獸醫嘅治療。喺另外嘅樓層，我哋有2間比較寧靜嘅診症室，比較適合一啲緊張嘅小動物，例如貓貓，可以好安心咁樣可以接受我哋嘅獸醫嘅護理同治療。我而家身處位於我哋啱擴充型嘅住院部，喺呢度經過我哋擴充之後，我哋有更多嘅活動空間提供俾我哋嘅狗隻，令到中大型嘅狗隻喺住院嘅同時能夠有足夠嘅活動。另外，我哋而家嘅急救嘅地方會更加接近我哋嘅接待處，喺任何急症嚟嘅時候，我哋可以第一時間處理我哋嘅急症。
Pet Central 一直盡善盡美，希望全方位照顧你同你寵物嘅需要。記住係北角渣華道70號地鋪及1樓，全方位、全天候、全心全意，提供365日、24小時緊急診症服務，專業可靠。Care from the heart.
Hello, welcome to Ask the Vet. I'm Dr. Pauline Taylor. Today we have a question lined up for Dr. Rianne Kwok. Dr. Rianne is going to answer this question.
實兔仔側頭咧個可能性都有好多嘅。咁要了解呢個答案咧，首先我哋要明白到咧，其實兔仔嗰個平衡咧係靠耳水啦、腦神經咧去控制佢嗰個身體入邊嘅平衡，其實同人一樣嘅。咁所以如果兔仔個頭仔咧突然之間側咗咧，其實可能性都有好多，其中之一咧就係可能係耳仔發炎啦，內耳入邊其實係有好似人一樣有耳水，咁如果嗰個耳水唔平衡嘅話咧，有機會引起佢嗰個側頭嘅情況。咁嚴重啲咧，亦都可能係腦神經嗰度發炎啦，或者直頭係個腦部有發炎引起嘅。咁最常見腦部發炎咧，係因為兔仔咧係比較容易有一個寄生蟲而引起嘅一個腦發炎，而導致側頭係其中一個症狀咯。咁所以咧，我哋嘅可能性咧係由耳仔發炎到腦發炎，或者係寄生蟲引起嘅。咁所以如果有咩唔明白咧，或者突然之間見到屋企兔仔係有側頭嘅情況咧，要盡快帶去睇獸醫啦。
大家好，我係 Patrick， 我係 Pet Central 嘅營運總監。
Hi, I'm Dr. Pauline Taylor. I'm a founder of Pets Central and Pet Central Veterinary Academy.
本身你對獸醫行業係咪好有興趣？係咪冇渠道加入我哋？而家我哋個好嘅機會啦。
And I'd like to tell you about our new diploma in veterinary nursing.
我哋課程銜接總共18個月嘅兼讀課程，總課程時數達到270小時，另外有30小時係屬於考核。
During that time, there will be 9 different modules presented. The first 4 modules comprise a level 2 qualification diploma in veterinary nursing. They include veterinary services, hospital practice, companion animal health care. More advanced modules bring in veterinary medical nursing, surgical, dental nursing, veterinary anesthetics, and emergency and critical care.
修讀完我哋嘅課程之後，除咗可以進入我哋嘅獸醫行業之外，甚至乎你可以對於你護理屋企日常你嘅動物會更加多嘅知識，可以幫到佢哋。
For students who join our course, it's the beginning of a career structure for them. Animals need care in many, many different places, not just in veterinary hospitals and clinics, in industry with government, laboratory animals and things like pet shop where animals need nursing care.
首屆香港資歷架構第3級別認可嘅獸醫文憑課程，我哋課程同時有持續進修基金嘅支持。
If you'd like a diploma in veterinary nursing and help a veterinary surgeon like me or a little dog like Belle, please go to our website or call into our location at 66 Java Road in North Point. We'll answer your questions and give you more information and hopefully help you decide on a nursing career.
我哋 Pet Central 教育團隊好期待喺未來可以見到大家。Pet Central Care from the Heart。
大家好，我係 Dr. Crystal， 我係北角 Pet Central 嘅夜間急症醫生。
Hello， 我叫 Maggie， 係今晚夜間當值嘅獸醫助護。
大家好，我係 Dr. Brian， 係今晚嘅夜班當值醫生。
咁今晚我哋就睇下有咩小動物需要我哋嘅緊急服務啦。依家就有隻狗仔需要我哋嘅緊急服務嘅，咁佢係一隻14歲嘅北京狗，我哋未清楚佢發生咩事，所以我哋需要做少少檢查先會知道。好，咁我哋頭先都做咗一個基本嘅檢查，同埋做咗一個基本嘅問診啦。 咁基本上其實我都確定佢係一個緊急嘅情況，係需要住院嘅。咁但係喺呢個之前呢，我就會請 VA 去做一個抽血檢查，睇下佢有冇一個內臟器官上嘅問題先。
頭先醫生啱啱同主人溝通過啦，問完診之後咧，咁我就負責帶佢上嚟去進行一個抽血驗血嘅程序嘅。基本上就分秒必爭啦，唔可以等太耐咁樣，都想盡快知道狗狗嘅情況係點嘅。
咁我係啱啱都接咗 call 啊，咁就係關於一個急症將會嚟嘅。咁 reception 同事都係電話度粗略了解咗小動物嘅情況啦。咁我哋而家就耐心等待，咁睇下到時能夠點樣幫助到佢。如果嚟緊呢24-48小時嚟緊呢兩日都係咁樣嘅話咧，咁我哋先至再考慮住院嗰方面啦。咁我哋啱啱接咗狗狗翻嚟啊，咁我哋即時就同佢做咗2項嘅測試嘅，一個就係狗瘟，一個就傳染性腸病毒，咁以便啊陣間我哋係作出一個醫療計劃嘅。
好，咁今日第2個急症就嚟咗啦，佢係一隻貓，咁佢喺肛門附近有個出血位，咁我哋陣間就睇下佢發生咩事啦。咁頭先就檢查到咧，其實佢膀胱就好厚嘅，咁其實都證明佢係有膀胱炎啦。咁但係其實佢就屙晒啲尿出嚟，咁所以我依家就要同主人去討論，到底我哋下一個方案咧係直接用藥啊，定係我哋要等多陣，等佢有尿，我哋可以抽督尿去做檢查。
處理完一輪急症之後啊，作為夜間當值嘅醫生啊，我哋都要照顧翻留院嘅動物。咁而家都差唔多凌晨12點啦，咁我哋而家就將會為佢哋進行一個例行嘅檢查，咁以確保佢哋一切嘅情況都係穩定啦。
不過 Pet Central 嘅夜間團隊24小時為你服務，如果有啲咩問題，隨時聯絡我哋啦。
如果係月圓之夜聽到嚎叫聲，唔需要驚係狼人出沒，因為有可能係你屋企隻狗狗叫緊咋。好多人相信月亮效應會影響動物甚至人類，令到佢哋有異常嘅行為。科學家以及獸醫都嘗試揾出原因。曾經有統計，每到月圓前後，貓狗發病同受傷嘅機會比平時高20至30%。月圓嘅時候，貓貓需要到急症室嘅比例上升23%，而狗更上升28%。事實證明真係不可思議。科學界暫時未有一個確實理論去解釋，但科學家相信月圓嘅時候會令到動物活躍度、荷爾蒙分泌同埋生理週期發生變化，亦可能係同狩獵本能同溝通有關係。
Careful, Cooper.
如果人嘅醫學都有中西合璧，咁究竟獸醫學會唔會可以呢？中獸醫咧其實係基建於中醫嘅理論，所熟悉嘅五行啦、陰陽啦同埋氣血等等，用嗰個診斷嘅方法咧就係我哋叫做四診，係望、聞、問、切。望咧就係望翻隻動物狀況啦，聞咧就真係用個鼻哥去聞嘅，我哋聞下佢哋會唔會有啲奇怪嘅氣味。問咧就係好似西醫一樣啦，我哋係會問翻佢哋個主人啦，主要佢個病歷。切咧就摸翻佢嗰個脈搏嘅脈搏咧，我哋最主要咧就係用翻佢嗰個股動脈。咁而中醫咧亦都會用到一啲侵入性嘅治療，包括咧針灸。好多時候咧，主人都覺得啊，會唔會隻動物會好緊張啊、好痛啊？9成9嘅動物咧都係對針灸咧個反應咧都係好溫和。咁我哋所選用嘅中藥咧，通常都係複方嚟嘅，而呢啲複方裡面嘅中藥咧，來源都係由天然嘅植物同埋動物物料製造出嚟嘅，會有中國 GMP 嘅認證。如果你都對中獸醫服務咧有興趣嘅話咧，歡迎咧再打嚟 Pet Central， 我哋可以再同你傾一傾嘅。
大家好，我叫做 Vian。咁呢個 Puppy Class 有5堂啦，咁5堂都會講唔同嘅 topic 嘅。第一個 topic 就會講狗嘅 socialization， 狗會接觸好多唔同嘅聲音、唔同嘅 feel。第二個禮拜我哋就會講狗仔嘅問題啦 ，puppy problems， 例如狗仔去廁所嘅問題，點解要咬人、追鞋啊、追物咬嘢嘅問題啦。第三個禮拜我哋就會講 canine interaction， 即係狗同狗嘅 greetings 應該係點樣，有啲咩係主人要特別留意。第4個禮拜咧，我哋就會講營養問題啦，有啲咩食咗係對隻狗好，有啲咩食咗係對隻狗唔好。第5個禮拜我哋就會專注 loose lead walking， 即係狗仔同我哋一齊行街嗰陣時，狗仔應該行喺邊度。Puppy Class 咧就 special design 俾啲嘅主人同埋狗仔一齊參加嘅，透過呢個嘅課程嚟增長主人同埋狗仔嘅 bonding。咁嗰陣時我哋希望見到你啦。We look forward to meeting you guys。
Hello， 大家好，我係旺角 Pet Central 嘅 Dr. Jacqueline。斷層掃描簡稱 CT， 就係其實利用多角度拍攝動物身體裏邊嘅構造，再由電腦技術組合翻更加清晰嘅圖像，可以應用喺全身，方便快捷清晰，同埋係唔會有痛楚嘅。而且真係15分鐘就會完成到個 CT 檢測，最快1至4日就有個報告出嚟添。透過 CT 咧，我哋揾出腫瘤嘅源頭，再睇下佢有冇擴散到其他唔同嘅地方，以便抽取細胞組織去化驗，俾醫生預測到治療率啦。最重要嘅係定劃出治療嘅方向啦，例如放射性治療啦、化療同埋手術嘅。CT 同 X 光去對比嘅話，得出嚟嘅影像係更加清晰同立體，而且唔會因為病情，例如胸水、腹水，影響到我哋嘅判決。如果咁唔好彩，你嘅動物需要做 CT 檢查，而你睇開嘅獸醫診所係冇 CT 嘅話，歡迎你或者你嘅主診醫生聯絡我哋旺角 Pet Central 去安排 CT 檢測。一有報告，我哋就會即刻同翻你嘅主診醫生講。另外，當然我哋係完全樂意同你嘅主診醫生分享我哋嘅 CT 心得添。
大家一聽到輸血會諗起啲咩呢？等我同大家分享一下輸血嘅一啲小知識啦。係咪貧血？的而且確，大部分貓貓狗狗輸血都係因為貧血嘅原因。貧血其實即係代表住紅血球不足，而紅血球不足可以係因為失血或者係溶血引致。咁而輸血係咪一定要揾動物嚟捐血輸全血呢？其實就唔係嘅。而家市面上都有好多唔同種類嘅血液製品，比較常見嘅就有 Pet Red Blood Cells、Fresh Frozen Plasma。醫生會因應動物嘅情況而決定需唔需要輸血，如果有需要嘅時候係輸邊一類型嘅血液製品。輸血其實都唔係一個完全冇風險嘅一個程序，要減低風險嘅話，首先我哋都會幫貓貓狗狗去到 check 翻佢個血型，跟住我哋都會做翻個配對，大概係1個鐘頭內會完成。輸血嘅話，我哋通常會係想4個鐘內同佢哋完成嘅。如果你哋啲貓貓狗狗需要轉介過嚟輸血，或者係需要用到血包嘅話，我哋 Pet Central 都可以幫得到你。
Hello， 我叫 Sammy 啊，今日可以跟我一齊睇下 VA 1日工作嘅流程。我哋今日第一個症就嚟咗，咁我哋就會轉頭出去簡單咁樣初步問一問小動物嘅情況啦。 清潔好重要㗎，所以我工作之前都會清潔自己雙手，保持個人同埋寵物嘅衛生。有冇屙嘔嘅情況？好啊，轉頭同醫生報告返。小動物入去見醫生之前，我哋都會喺出邊磅咗重，之後就可以入去見醫生啦。先好先，咁我哋帶小動物上去進行抽尿之前咧，我哋會帶入診症室啦，咁協助醫生去做一啲簡單嘅身體檢查，例如聽心肺啊、量體溫啊，同埋檢查皮膚咁樣嘅。除咗協助醫生進行診症之外，都要兼顧前台嘅工作嘅。咁例如接電話啊、進行登記啊咁樣。咁我哋亦都需要幫零售部去進行一啲嘅執貨咁樣嘅程序嘅。OK， 好啊，唔該。咁就啱先透過電話就同醫生 confirm 翻，可以同貓貓進行抽血嘅。我哋啱先就幫貓貓抽完血啦，咁依家就同佢驗血，咁轉頭個報告出埋就可以同個主人傾埋佢個麻醉風險啊，睇下佢適唔適合做麻醉嘅。咁我哋而家為醫生準備定間手術房，轉頭為貓貓進行注入手術。我哋要幫醫生着翻個手術袍，製造一個無菌嘅手術空間。完成咗一日工作，終於有機會可以坐低飲啖水啦。作為一個稱職嘅 VA， 梗係要兼顧每一個環節啦。雖然好忙，但係咁先至係專業㗎嘛。多謝你哋陪我完成一日 VA 嘅工作。
Hello， 我係 Gary 啊，咁我哋今日就嚟參觀呢個旺角 Pet Central，咁我哋嚟緊都有24小時嘅急症服務噶啦。好 ，Let's go！ 嗱，咁我哋呢個就係留院部啦，咁我哋留院部亦都分咗係貓貓同埋狗狗嘅專區噶喎。咁我哋而家就嚟到零售部啦，等我哋睇下有啲咩買先。呢個就係我哋嘅貓咪專區啦，咁我哋其實有好多貓貓咧，咁都會係好 sensitive 嘅，咁樣我哋都會盡量將啲貓貓同狗狗分開。嗱，呢度就係我哋嘅手術房啦，咁而家我哋亦都有手術醫生喺入面做緊手術，而我哋旺角 Pet Central 呢度都設有呢個電腦斷層掃描 CT scan。我哋今日嘅參觀就去到呢度啦，我都係時候要去做翻嘢先，下次再見啦，拜拜。
大家好，我係 Dr. Iris， 我今日會同大家講下絕育嘅小知識。咁第一個小知識就係究竟幾時需要開始考慮絕育呢？咁其實6個月之後就可以開始考慮絕育㗎啦，因為6個月之後佢嘅麻醉風險會相對比較低。第二個小知識就係點解我哋會建議絕育呢？咁其實呢個係關乎貓貓狗狗嘅健康嘅。咁絕育嘅話咧，可以減低患乳腺瘤嘅機會啦，亦都可以預防子宮束癆。第三個小知識就係絕育之後主人有咩需要注意呢？咁其實絕育之後咧，我哋會建議動物最少要運籠7日，另外一定要戴頭罩同埋唔好俾佢跑跑跳跳。希望呢3個小知識可以解答到大家對絕育嘅疑問。如果仲有咩問題，可以打電話聯絡我哋，又或者嚟到我哋嘅門市進行專業嘅諮詢。